wait and we watch to see what these letters say, how high tariffs are going to ultimately go, and whether or not this new date of August 1st allows for some time and some negotiation to come up with new trade agreements. Becky?
Kicking the can down what has been already a pretty chaotic road. Yet another threat from Mr. Trump. This time he's calling for more tariffs on nations who are, as he describes them, aligning themselves with the anti-American policies of the BRICS group, which includes, amongst others, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, with some new recruits, including the UAE. Do we have any specifics on that at this point?
Not really. Look, this revives a threat that the president had made a few months ago, where he went after the BRICS nations over what he views as a threat to the U.S. dollar, although a lot of analysts don't really see that threat there and don't see the dollar's dominance really threatened. But in this Truth Social post last night, the president said that any country aligning themselves with the anti-American policies of BRICS will be charged an additional 10% tariff. There will be no exceptions to this policy. So it's a little bit of a different threat, because in the past, I think he had really threatened nations that are part of BRICS. Now he's saying any country that's aligned with BRICS. So that could open up the universe of countries that would get this additional 10% tariff. But I mean, this is significant because let's say the U.S. reaches a deal with India and says, okay, India is going to have a 15% tariff rate based on those reciprocal tariffs. Well, that 15% rate, according to this Truth Social post